Hi Hedgehog, so today we're going to have a go at another maths challenge. Now I'm going to have a go at the maths challenge first and then you're going to have a go at a slightly different one but doing all of the same things. So before I start my challenge I've made sure that I've got a number line ready. So I've got a number line from 0 to 20 because those are the numbers that we work on in Hedgehog class, and I have got myself 12 objects because my star number is 12. So when you do your challenge, you will need to get yourself the right amount of objects to match your star number. And it could be any objects that you can find around your house. So I'm going to start off at the top left, and the first challenge is to add one more. So I need to do all of these things to the number 12. So I need to add one more to the number 12. So I'm going to do that by finding 12 on my number line and adding one more, so counting on one, and that makes 13. So I can put my answer here in the box, 13. Okay, then I'm going to do the next one. So it says find half. So I need to find half of 12. So here's where I can use my 12 objects. And if I'm finding half, I'm sharing them into two equal groups. So I'm going to draw myself, oh, that's not a good choice of colour, is it? It's not very easy to see. Let me change it to red. I'm going to draw myself two groups because remember, when we find half, we're sharing things into two equal groups. And I'm going to share my 12 circles into two equal groups to find half of 12. So one in this group, and one in this group, and I'll keep putting one in each group until I've shared all of them into the two groups, because that's how we find half of an amount. I'll keep going, making sure that I put one in each group each time so it's fair. The groups need to be equal, which means need to be the same size. So I've shared them all of my 12 circles. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this group, and I should have the same in the next group. Let me just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I do. So half of 12 is 6. We share it into two equal groups that are both the same. So I can put my answer in there. Oh, I'm on red now. Maybe I'll have multicolours today. Right, now next one, I need to add two more to the number 12. So find 12 on my number line. So let's find number 12 on the number line and add two more. So 12, 13, 14. So it's two jumps up the number line if we're adding two. Numbers get bigger when we add. Okay, now then we're going to find two less from 12. So I could take away objects from my 12, or I could count back 2 places on the number line. So I'll show you both ways. I can move my objects back. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now if I'm going to find two less, I can take two away. So I've got 12, 11, 10. Now I've got 10. Or I can count back 2 places on my number line, 12, 11, 10. So 2 less than 12 is 10. Okay, find one less. So I can either start off with my 12 objects and take one away. So I've got 12, 11, or I can count back on my number line, 12, 11. So one less than 12 is 11. Got to change my colour, we don't want that, do we? Okay, oh, now we're getting hard. Can we take away 5? So I think I'm going to do that with my objects. So I've got my 12 objects again. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. I've got 7 left. Change it to yellow this time. So if we take 5 away from 12, we are left with 7. Okay, now we've got to take a big amount away. We've got to take 10 away from our 12. So make sure I'm starting with 12 again. I'm going to take 10 away. So I've got 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 and 2. I've took 10 away and I've just got 2 left. Oof. There we go. 2 left. Okay, and then for the last one we'll need to add 5. So we can either do that by adding 5 more objects to our 12, or we can count up 5 places on our number line. So I'll show you both ways. My 12 objects here. Okay, so if I'm going to add some more, I'm going to add them in a different colour so I don't get confused. So I've got 12. I'm going to add 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. So I started with 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Or I can count up 5 places on my number line: 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And I was counting on my fingers 5 as I counted up the number line. So 5 added on to 12 is 17. Now I'm going to put a number line on our website for you and your challenge with your number for this week. Have a go at using objects and your number line to see if you can do each of these challenges to this week's number.